Imagine basking in the glow of the setting sun, sipping on a glass of champagne, as you lounge in your private infinity pool overlooking the azure Indian Ocean. This isn't a fantasy, but a reality at the world's most luxurious hotel villas. These are places where opulence and comfort are taken to a whole new level, offering an experience that transcends the ordinary. Take, for example, the royal villa at the Grand Resort Lagonisi, nestled on the Athenian Riviera in Greece. This villa is the epitome of grandeur, ranking as the 5th most luxurious hotel villa in the world. Here, every feature is designed to make your stay not just convenient, but truly regal. Imagine stepping into the villa and being greeted by your personal butler who is at your service around the clock. The Royal Villa takes the concept of personalized service to dizzying heights, ensuring that every moment of your stay is nothing short of perfection. Beyond the impeccable service, the villa itself is a marvel to behold. With heated indoor and outdoor swimming pools, you can take a leisurely swim regardless of the weather outside. The pools are complemented by a stunning private beach, a slice of paradise reserved exclusively for you. Here, you can soak up the sun in absolute tranquility, the soft lull of the waves providing the perfect soundtrack for your relaxation. And then there's the villa's interior, a masterclass in luxury design. Every detail has been thoughtfully curated, from the plush furnishings to the state-of-the-art amenities. The villa boasts 2 master bedrooms with king-size beds, a spacious living room, and a fully equipped kitchen. A private gym ensures you can keep up with your fitness routine, while a personal chef is on hand to whip up gourmet meals tailored to your liking. The Royal Villa truly offers an experience fit for royalty, but wait until you see what's next. Now transport yourself to a secluded island paradise, where your villa is nestled amid lush greenery and pristine beaches. Imagine a place where your every need is catered to, where luxury is redefined, and where the line between indoor and outdoor living is beautifully blurred. Welcome to the Hilltop Villa at Lokala Island Resort in Fiji, our 4th most luxurious villa in the world. Picture this: waking up to a panoramic ocean view that stretches as far as the eye can see. The sound of waves gently lapping at the shore, a symphony of nature's finest music. As the sun rises, it paints the sky in hues of pink and orange, casting a magical glow on your private villa. But the beauty of the Hilltop Villa is not just in its stunning location, it's also in the extraordinary services that come with it. A private cook to prepare your meals, a chauffeur to drive you around the island, and even a nanny service. You'll have your very own team dedicated to ensuring your stay is as comfortable and enjoyable as possible. And let's not forget about the villa itself. It's a masterpiece of design, seamlessly blending traditional Fijian style with modern luxury. Each room is a sanctuary of comfort with lavish furnishings and state-of-the-art amenities. But perhaps the most unique feature of the Hilltop Villa is its own private airstrip. Yes, you heard that right. You can fly directly to your villa, stepping off your plane and into paradise in a matter of moments. Staying at the Hilltop Villa is more than just a holiday. It's a chance to experience a different kind of luxury, one that's intimately connected with nature and designed for your absolute comfort and relaxation. The Hilltop Villa offers the ultimate island getaway, but the journey doesn't end here. Stay tuned as we continue our exploration of the world's most luxurious villas. In the next segment, you won't want to miss it. From the tropical island, we move to a snow-capped mountain retreat, where luxury meets nature. Welcome, dear listeners, to the 3rd most luxurious villa on our list, the Chalet Zermatt Peak in Switzerland. Nestled high in the Swiss Alps, Chalet Zermatt Peak is a testament to the pinnacle of luxury. Picture this: you're surrounded by the majesty of snow-laden peaks, the beauty of nature is in its rawest form, and you're cocooned in the lap of extravagant comfort. This is no mere vacation. It's an experience, one that transcends the ordinary. The Chalet Zermatt Peak is a marvel of architectural design. It boasts floor-to-ceiling windows that offer a panoramic view of the Alpine panorama. Imagine waking up to the sight of sparkling snowflakes dancing in the morning sun, or sipping on a cup of hot cocoa while watching the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and pink. It's not just a view, it's a moving portrait of nature's grandeur. But the luxury doesn't stop at the view. The villa comes complete with a private jacuzzi, allowing you to sink into the warmth and gaze at the starlit skies. It's a perfect blend of relaxation and romance. A place where time seems to stand still and where the hustle and bustle of the world seem like a distant memory. And let's not forget the gastronomic delights that await you. At Chalet Zermatt Peak, you're not just served food, you're treated to a culinary journey. A personal chef is on hand to whip up gourmet meals that tantalize your taste buds. Every dish is a masterpiece, created with love and served with panache. The Chalet Zermatt Peak is more than a villa. It's a sanctuary, a place where you can unwind, indulge, and immerse yourself in the lap of luxury. It's the epitome of alpine luxury. But hold on to your seats, folks, because we're not done yet. The Chalet Zermatt Peak is the epitome of alpine luxury, but there are 2 more villas that surpass even this. So stay tuned as we continue our journey through the world's most luxurious villas. Next, we journey to a jewel in the desert, where extravagance takes on a whole new meaning. Imagine a place where the boundaries of opulence are constantly being redefined, where the sands of time merge with the glitz of modernity to create a mesmerizing spectacle of luxury. Welcome to the Royal Bridge Suite at the Atlantis, the Palm in Dubai. This spectacular villa, nestled in the heart of one of the world's most dazzling cities, is a testament to the extraordinary. Its features are as unique as they are lavish, designed to cater to the most discerning of guests. Let's start with the basics. The Royal Bridge Suite is not just a place to rest your head, it's a sanctuary of serenity that's been meticulously designed to provide an experience that transcends the ordinary. When you step into the suite, you're stepping into a world where every detail is crafted to perfection. Now let's talk about bathing in luxury, and by that we mean literally. Picture this, you're unwinding in a bath surrounded by 24-karat gold-infused soap. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just a bath, it's an indulgence fit for royalty, but the opulence doesn't stop there. The Royal Bridge Suite also boasts underwater suites. These magnificent spaces offer breathtaking views of the aquatic life that thrives beneath the surface of the Arabian Gulf. It's like being in your own private aquarium with the sea's most enchanting creatures just a glance away. And let's not forget the personal butler and chef services. Here, your every whim is catered to with a team of professionals ready to provide world-class service at any hour. Whether you're craving a midnight snack or need help planning the perfect day out, they're there to ensure your stay is nothing short of extraordinary. The Royal Bridge Suite is more than just a place to stay. It's a journey into a world of unparalleled luxury, where every moment is curated to create an unforgettable experience. The Royal Bridge Suite is truly a testament to architectural marvel and luxury, but there's still one more villa that tops them all. Finally, we arrive at the pinnacle of luxury, a villa that redefines opulence and indulgence. Welcome, dear listeners, to the mansion at MGM Grand in Las Vegas, the most luxurious villa in the world. As you cross the threshold of this extraordinary venue, you are greeted by a private garden, an oasis of tranquility amidst the city's vibrant energy. This verdant paradise is just a taste of the extravagance that awaits within. The mansion is not merely a place to stay, it's a lifestyle. Every detail, every amenity is curated to offer an unparalleled experience. Picture this, a personal chef, ready to cater to your every culinary whim, from a simple breakfast to a lavish dinner party. Imagine having your own butler, discreet and professional, ensuring that your stay is as effortless as it is luxurious. But the opulence doesn't stop at the villa's doors. As a guest at the mansion, you're given exclusive entry to MGM Grand's amenities. This includes everything from the world-class casino to the exquisite spa, the sensational shows to the high-end shopping. It's all at your fingertips, ready for you to indulge in. The mansion at MGM Grand is more than just a place to sleep. It's an experience, an adventure. It's the thrill of the roulette wheel, the serenity of a private massage, the delectable taste of a gourmet meal. It's the joy of being pampered, the excitement of being in the heart of Las Vegas, the satisfaction of knowing that you're experiencing the very best that life has to offer. The mansion at MGM Grand is undeniably the ultimate in luxury living, a place where dreams become reality. So, as we wrap up our journey through the world's most luxurious villas, remember this: luxury is not just about the price tag, It's about the experience, the memories, the feeling of indulgence that stays with you long after you've checked out. Until next time, keep dreaming and keep exploring.